Okay, today topic body mind relationship means in between body and mind what relationship have now we will discuss. See, example I will tell first. In case body will response.
Mind.
Yeah, good. You see, you want to do anything with body means first of all mind only will tell. Means whatever you want to do, means whatever any work, anything, first you want to do means that main mind will tell. After body will cooperate to the mind. That time mind and body have to the relationship. In case mind will tell means that time body not working. I have one doubt. Please you can tell me. In mind whatever tell to the body and that time body not cooperating. Why? Sometimes body not cooperating to the mind. Why? Easy question.
Some problem in body, ma'am. That's like nerve problem.
Good. Yeah, good, very good. Like some problems, any health problem, and case some people's injuries, fracture, accidental, they're not feeling well, and any health problem, that time body not cooperating to the mind. Mind will tell, but body not cooperating. That is a sometimes whoever have to the problem, that time no relationship to the mind and body. Now we'll discuss body and its functions. What is main body functions? Mind and its functions. Now we'll discuss between body and mind functions. Here first to find a hypothetical construct. Hypothetical constructs means the brain will create of the involving. The brain will involve and creating of the thoughts, ideas. Because why means mind function is one of the creativity ideas. Some people's all people's have to the mind, but some people's only creativity ideas thoughts are more like intellectually. But some people's not using properly to the mind means they are always thinking like a negatively and abnormal thoughts like that. But here a hypothetical construct means involving of the creativity thoughts that mind will involve the maintaining of the and creativity of the thoughts and ideas. That is a hypothetical construct function. And process and activities like thinking. Mind process what that mind activities means like a thinking. In this example, I want to tell one example yours. How can I will tell example? I will think and I will tell to you. Because why means my mind function like one of the thinking process. That's why I will tell example for yours. That is one of the like mind function. Mind like a process activities and thinking, reasonings, related reasons, and imaging like imagination and remembering capacity and analyzing. Analyzing means like observing and synthesizing. Means synthesizing means particularly stimulating of the particular mind and functions. That is a synthesizer. That's why mind will give up the good activities. What is that activities means? Thinking, reasoning, imaging, remembering, analyzing, synthesizing. Synthesizing means related production of the like reactions. Whatever chemical reactions. Chemical reactions is in the body. Whenever chemical reactions start producing means automatic mind function also in normally. That's why mind functions, whoever normally mind function, that people have to be good thinking way and reason particular reasons and imaging capacity and remembering capacity, analyzing, observing and synthesizing, producing of the more chemical reactions. Because of mind function normal means automatic the people look at the like these activities. And third point, body and mind does not separate work. Yes, sir, separate work only. Why not separate work?
Ma'am, separate work means?
Separate work means body will, mind whatever telling means body not doing. Body will do something and mind will do something. That is a separate work. But here, mind whatever tells that body cooperating, na, sometimes in case not feeling well means that time have to do separate work. But now, mind and body good functioning. That's why mind and body does not a separate work. Whatever mind will tell work, that work only the body will do. That time is does not separate work. No, na.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
way. See, in case example, I am not feeling well. In case I have some health problem, I can't walk properly. I can't run. I can't sit. I can't stand properly. Also, very health problem. That time my mind will tell you can go somewhere, you can walk, but my body not cooperating. That time what happened? That time separate work, body separate work and mind separate work. But I am not. I am feeling very good function, good activities means that time whatever mind will tell me, I will do. My body will cooperate. That is a not a does not separate work. That's here body and mind not does not separate work. And mind is a collective name given to our mental process and activity. Mind is a collecting name. What is your name? Means mind will collect particular your name, your batch, what you are doing, which places, which activities. This and all mind will tell collecting of the names and given to our mental process and activity. Whatever mental process means like related any brain problem, that time body mind will function normal means that time activities also like a mental process like normally, not a mentally, but our mental process, our mentality way only they will do of the activities on the mind. In case my mentality different, yours mentality different, but body function is a mind function is a like a normal only. You can collect of the any things like that how to the functioning of the mind. And carry out abstract. Carry out abstract means something. Whatever mind will carry out means carrying. Means that much carrying capacity have to the mind. Example, tomorrow you have exam. That time you are studying today onwards to up to tomorrow. That time carrying of this something topics in your mind means mind will be carry out total. Whatever studying means the mind only receiving and carrying and capacity have to the mind. Like this also carry out abstract. Abstracts means something whatever. Carry out this something good memory or indicate our intellect get good memory. Mind will working normally functionally means that time we will get the good memory and indicate our intellectual. Our intellect means intellect's power. In case some people have to the more knowledge, they have the good power capacity. That time what happened? Mind will normally function means they have to the more intellect power. Some people who have the any mental problems, that time no intellect power and no memory, and that time they get the memory loss. That time they can't carry up the anything in the mind. That is a main mind. That's why normal persons they will carry up the anything, they will get the good memory, they have to the intellect power also because of mind normally relation, mind and body relationship. And mind improve in various stages, child, adolescence and decline in old age. Mind improve in various stages. In child adolescence, in child adolescent time, that time mind will improve of the different various. But decline in old age. See, in mind mentality, children's time, how you have like a children activities. Once you are getting of old age means that time also you will do children activities.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No.
no, because of your mind will changes of this something in child time only improving of this some stage. In old age time declining. Declining means stopping in the old age time like activities. Related age only you can improve of the that related activities. That is a mind and body relationship. See some people's old age people, but they have the mental problem is they will do of the like a children activities because of mind not working properly, that time not have the body and mind relationship. That's why they will do of the abnormal activities like a children's. That is because of abnormal relationship to the body and mind. Whoever normally between body and mind relationship, the people will get the related age improving activities only. That is a body and mind its functions. And next to body mind relationship. Main body and mind are inseparable. Body and mind act in each other. Means something body and mind each other see, correctly means they will do of the everything. Whatever they preparing, whatever they successful anything means immediately you can successful of the anything. But here body and mind inseparable means unable to separate it, treated separately. Body and mind you can separately treated means how means related mind only you can treat properly and body also you can treat properly. Like this sometimes inseparable. Inseparable means separately, unable to be separated. Means in case you want to separate body and mind, you can't separate because that is unable to separate. You can't separate to the body and mind because that is a mind. Mind will think to the whatever mind will think that body will cooperate. That's why we can't unable to separate of the body and the mind. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, body and mind act on each other. Whatever they want to, whatever you want to do means that time body and mind act. Two parts will act on each otherly. Togetherly, two parts togetherly they will do of the acting. Whatever they want to do. That is a main body and mind relationship. Here, a healthy mind exists in the healthy body. Once a healthy mind will give to the exit to the healthy body. Healthy mind means automatic body also very healthy. That is now we'll discuss. First, A, body acting or affecting the mind. Means body acting means anything affecting to the mind or not. Now we'll see. First one, intellectual task in differ in tired and fatigue. Whoever giving up the intellectually means individually you are giving up the any task to the any one person. The person how no very tired. That body really like a tiredness and fatigue, like a full no energy. Because of why means whenever body is acting and that time mind not working means that time they're affecting of the body problems because of why means mind also not working, mind also not cooperating to the body. That time what happened, body only will affecting a problem now. That's why the body will get the tiredness and fatigue like a low energy because of mind will not cooperating to the body like this, not cooperating any parts of the in the between two parts. That time they will affecting of the some problem. And pleasant or unpleasant mental experiences in caring pinching. See, pleasantly, in case peacefully, unpeacefully, whoever in the mental experiences, whoever experiencing of the about mental, the people will show of the love, caring. Caring mean like the showing of the love, pinching, you know, in case in your area, small cute babies means you are in cheek area. Just you can pinching very cute baby like that you doing now. Like that, here whoever mental experience people also that time some people will show up the love and caring and pinching to in the cheeks. You know what pinching mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that they will do up the very cute, very like showing up the love and that time doing up the pinching also in the cheeks area because of they're already affecting of the mental experiences and pleasantly they will experience or unpleasantly they have mental problem or not problem, but mind will and body will tell to the like a caring. You can show the love and you can make like a pinching, hi super you cute baby, like that they will do up the like this because of mind whatever tell that body only affecting, but mind will not tell anything means body only do something abnormally. That is a body and mind relationship. Now we'll discuss the first one, body acting. A na, now we'll see totally A about A. Body acting are affecting the mind. Once body acting means that the mind will be affecting something. What means we will see abnormality visible in our physical organ. Whoever affecting of the mind problem, that time you can see of the your behavior and your organs only like a showing visible like a abnormally. Why means abnormal means malfunctioning. What is mal? Don't know.
My even
Mal
what?
means abnormal. Okay. Malfunction means abnormal functioning of the sensory system. Sensory system like a eye, ear, then tongue and nose. This and not a nose. Tongue and ear, eyes. This and all like a sensory or the skin also. Once abnormal functioning of the sensory system.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
what you said, ma'am? Mal meaning?
Malfunction means abnormal functioning. Mal means abnormal.
And previously you heard my voice.
Not what?
In previous means you heard me speaking.
I'm not understanding whatever you're speaking of.
Now I'm responding you. Like previous I was responding also. You heard me.
Yes.
No, I was thinking as my mic is not working. That's it. Okay, ma'am. Continue.
Pa. In this class, you were asking that one, Samim.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, nothing. I audible your voice, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Carry on.
Okay. Here, malfunctioning means abnormal functioning. Once body normal functioning and mind will abnormal functioning means what happen? That time they will get to the mind problems. See, mind not working properly means sometimes body also not cooperating to the mind. Yes, sir. In case I'm doing any mistake, in case my friends will cooperate me. No, you doing mistake, you will get the punishment. Nobody will cooperate because of I'm doing mistake. Here also, mind will do abnormal functioning means sometimes body also not cooperating. That time some people were affecting of the mental problems also. See here, malfunctioning means abnormal functioning of the sensory system defects. What is the sensory system abnormal functioning means? Hearing, vision, smell in our physical organs. Physical organs means one of the skin, eye, ear, na. But here, abnormal functioning of the sensory system. Once abnormal functioning is what happened? That time you can't hear properly, you can't vision properly, you can't do the proper, you can't receive of the proper smell also because of malfunctioning in the abnormal functioning in the sensory system. That's why you can't listen, you can't see, you can't receive of the smell. And stomach ache. What is stomach ache? Not cake, ache.
Stomach pain, ma'am.
Stomach pain.
Stomach pain. Yes, ma'am.
Pain.
I am thinking you are thinking like a cake. Okay, stomach ache means like a stomach pain and create the irritability, gloominess, and etc. in behavior. Once abnormal functioning in the mind or any system means that time what happened? Example, digestive system. An abnormal functioning in the digestive system, that time you will get to the stomach pain. Stomach pain, irritability. Automatic stomach pain is there means creativity. Mind will create up the irritation in the body and gloominess. What is gloominess? Don't know, madam.
Doubting type.
Uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable, not like gloominess means unhappiness. Okay, unhappiness. Here, whoever getting of the stomach pain, any health problem, that time people nobody will the happy. Only gloominess, like a unhappiness, the irritability, unhappiness, etc. in behavior. That time behavior is like a abnormal, like that. No cooperation of the body and mind. Huh?
Always frustrated, man, like that feeling will come.
You can speak loudly, please.
Frustration will come, madam.
Frustration also will come. Irritation means automatically they will get to the frustration and irritation also. Yes, correct. Only frustration that also will come to the particular whoever to the stomach pain peoples and any abnormal function time also they will get the frustration. And next to increased blood pressure may lead to mental excitement. Means whenever increase of the blood pressure, like a hypertension, you see some hypertension patients. Whenever they get the angry means and automatic mental excitement. Whoever excitement have people means the people sometimes will increasing of the hypertension. You seen some people's very angry. Whoever not angry, whoever frustration and excitement that time they'll increasing of the blood pressure. Here also, whoever mentally excitement people, they will get the increase of blood pressure, like a hypertension. And malfunctioning of endocrine glands may adversely affect the mental functioning. Malfunctioning of the endocrine means abnormal functioning of the glands, endocrine glands. That time hormones also have na. That time glands and hormones abnormal functioning in the mind means what happened? They will affecting of the mental functioning because of glands, thalamus glands, thalamus glands, hypothalamus glands, this under thyroid glands and hormones also have na. This suddenly abnormal functioning means that time affecting to the mental functioning. They will start of the mental problems because of abnormal functioning in the endocrine gland. That's why mind and body not cooperating. That's why they will affecting of the mental functioning problems. And next to body pain, headache, backache, fever may adversely affect the mental functioning. Whoever have to the any mental functioning abnormally, that time they will affecting of the body ache, like a body pain, headache, and backache, fever. This all affecting of the whenever not cooperation of the body and mind, that time they will affecting of the like these symptoms. And malfunction of nervous system. Once abnormal functioning in the nervous system like two types is the autonomic nervous system, central nervous system. The two system like abnormal functioning means what happened? Gives us unable to think. Yes or no? Once abnormal functioning in the nervous system, you will think normally.
No, madam.
No, yes, no. Because of why example, I get the any nervous problem. Otherwise, I'm getting of head injury means I can't think properly. I can't get the creativity. I can't get thinking power also. Means how to think also I don't know. Because I'm getting of head injury, that time abnormal functioning in the my mind. That time I cannot unable to think properly. Like this here also, whoever have to the abnormal functioning in the nervous system, that time mind unable to think, they can't think properly and logically receive accurately, memorialize, they can't receive the proper ideas also. Perceive means receiving, logically they can't receive, they can't able to think, and they will get to the memory loss. Like a memory loss means total loss of the anything memory, like that having to the affecting of the body and mind relationship. Whenever not have the proper body and mind relationship, that people will get the like this abnormalities. That is a A. And second one, mind acting or affecting the body. A you see na, see body is a acting but affecting of the mind problem. That is a A. Now we will see mind acting but affecting the body. Whenever mind not working, that time body will affect the problem. But here body working means that time affecting of the mind problem. Like this have to the this one. Now nothing is good or bad, but thinking of our mind makes it so. Whatever thinking that is a good or bad also you don't know, because of mind will acting but body will say affecting of the related mind. That's whatever you thinking, that is a good or bad also you don't know. Like that have to the mind mentality to the body affecting problem time. Here, mental states affect our body states. Once you ever have the any mental problem, that problem affect into the body. What that affect into the body means, now we'll see. See, anger, like a angry and fear gives headache, indigestion, insomnia, allergic. Means when our mind not working properly, that time you will get to the angry and fear and headache, indigestion. You can't digestion properly food also. Insomnia, you can't sleep properly, and allergic reactions. These and all have to be in the related body because of mind acting, but sometimes body affecting up like this problem. And sometimes my negative thinking and emotional tensions, whenever body affecting problem, that time mind also sometimes affecting to the abnormal. That time you thinking of the like negatively, and emotional tensions, you will get of the emotional tensions and create a peptic ulcer, ulcerative colitis. Means see, you negatively thinking and emotional tensions. Example, I have so many problems. That time what can I will do? I can't eat properly. That time I will get to the peptic ulcer, I will get to the gas problem, I will get the digestive problem, because of I have emotional tensions and I am thinking like a negatively, I am not taking properly food that time. That time what happened? I will affecting of the peptic ulcer and ulcerative colitis, like infection inflammation of the colon. Like this also, whoever mentally affecting problem, that time sometimes body will affecting of the some symptoms, some systems, like a peptic ulcer problem and ulcerative colitis. Like this problem will get to the sometimes. And disturbed mental states gives neurosis and psychosis. Whenever disturbing of the mentally, that time we will get the neurosis or psychosis. Neurosis also called as psychosis. Psychosis means like a mental illness, like a suffering of the about mental problems. Because of why means whenever disturbing of the mentally, that time we will get of the psychosis problems. And next, hostility, anger, means hostility, anger, depression, and anxiety create a problems like a hypertension. Example, I have one doubt. When you will increase of the hypertension?
Increase the blood pressure, ma'am.
Get angry, madam.
Then yeah, easy question. Tell me when you increase of the hypertension.
When the BP
Will
level
face
is increased.
problem, madam.
Angry and
Stress, ma'am.
Yeah, good stress.
Where
Any family problem?
mental
Yeah, good,
stress,
good,
family.
Bindu. Any problem? Yeah, good. Thank you so much. See, here, when we increase hypertension means any family problem, stress, frustration, depression, whatever thinking about anything, that time also increase that hypertension. See, example, in family members, fathers will get the sometimes frustration. Means how to will maintain up the family members, how to will improve the family members, like if families this and all they will think of the fathers now, because the fathers only doing of the more work in the family, and mothers also that time mother and father they will think about to the children's also. Sometimes they will improve, they will increase of the hypertension. Main here hypertension when you will increase means hostility means like a hostile behavior, unfriendless, whoever not have the friendless means in case example my father not like not maintaining a friendship with me means that time I will get the some problem. Means why not maintaining a friendship, why not speaking properly, that time whoever also unfriendless, whoever not maintaining of like a friendship, whoever not maintaining of the good friendly to the anyone, that time they will increasing of the potential like attitude. Unfriendless means they will showing up the
Madam,
attitude. Ah,
hostility means mental thought, madam.
mental.
Thinking, ma'am, like mentally thinking, madam, like you are giving example, no?
Not mentally thinking, they will showing up the violent action. They can't maintaining a friendship. Aggressive behavior, like ugly behavior.
Okay, ma'am.
Example, say, in case some people have the ego attitude. That time that attitude people and ego people to maintain friendship.
No, madam.
No. This hostility means like the people have the violent action, attitude, ego, like that aggressive behavior. Like whoever like that, I mean the people only will get the increasing of the hypertension, means increase of the blood pressure. Example, I am the attitude girl and violent action. I am always angry. I am aggressive behavior. That time I will increase of the hypertension because of I am not smoothly speaking to anyone. Always violent. That time I will get the hypertension. That's whoever attitude, ego, or violent action peoples, that hostility. The peoples also will get the sometimes blood pressure increasing. And anger means whenever angry and frustration and depression time and anxiety, that time automatic create the problem as a hypertension. Whoever have the angry, hostility, depression, anxiety, that peoples will get the some problems. Hypertension and diabetes and cardiac and respiratory diseases. This all will affecting of the in particular hostility, angry, depression, anxiety time. Because of here mind affecting of the body, mentally they're good but sometimes body not affecting properly, that's why they're doing like this. And overactivity involved in a abstract thinking, overactivity involved in abstract is something, they're overacting, they don't know anything, but overactionally they will involving of the something in the thinking time and create the stress and fatigue and tiredness. Example, I don't know. Example, how will? Okay, example, you don't know how to teach in classroom. Means you don't know how to teach and you don't know how to give the seminar. Example, I will tell. But that is what happened. Whenever I'm giving any topic to any one student, means the students will think something overactively. I know everything. I will conduct of the seminar. I will teach I will teach any topics like that. Overactively, they will getting up the like this anything. But once class will start means they will get to the stress and fatigue and tiredness. Means I can't do. How can we will tell like this doing? But before seminar they're doing of the overaction. But once the situation will come, means they will get to the fear and stress. Here also overactivity involved in the obstructing. Whoever involving of the overactivity, that time that people sometimes they will affecting of the stress and fatigue and tiredness, because of mind will affecting to the body, that's why the body not cooperating properly. In case I'm thinking something in 2 minutes, but within 2 minutes my brain will change thoughts. 2 minutes only I'm thinking nicely and speaking to someone, within 2 minutes only I will change up the my character, I will get the angry about the students. Like this also some people will immediately mind will affect into the body, that time body also will show up the some abnormal. That is a mental states effect of our body states. Whatever mentally problem effect means automatic that mental problem will show in the body. Example, see, any person have to the any mental problem means they will show body actively.
No, madam.
No.
No.
No, madam.
Mind have any problem is that time body will show abnormal. In case body is a good means that time mind will show abnormalities. Like this have that abnormal. Whenever body and mind relationship good means that person character habits like a total like a normally. That is a body and mind relationship.